Does this sound familiar? You wake up, check your ads, and see the dreaded message. Your account has been disabled. It's the ultimate nightmare for every digital marketer. You've lost your accounts, your data, and your precious time. Most people fail because they don't understand how Facebook's AI actually works. Facebook's security crawlers are looking for one thing: non-human patterns. If you use a standard browser or a cheap VPN, you are basically waving a red flag at their security system. You need a solution that makes you look like a legitimate, everyday user. That is exactly why we created this breakthrough automation software. It's designed to nurture your accounts from the ground up, building a bulletproof trust score that bypasses the strictest checkpoints. Let's dive into the first core feature: unlimited account management. Scaling your business shouldn't be limited by your tools. Our software allows you to manage hundreds, even thousands of profiles, all from one centralized, easy-to-use dashboard. No more messy spreadsheets or logging in and out manually. Each profile is protected by its own unique browser fingerprint. We isolate everything: Canvas signatures, WebGL data, and hardware info. Combined with dedicated residential proxies, there is zero cross-linking between your assets. If one account is flagged, the rest of your farm remains completely safe. Now, let's look at the heart of the system: automated human behavior.
The software logs into your account using persistent sessions and clean cookies.
This mimics a real user returning to their favorite site, which is significantly safer than performing a fresh login every single time. It doesn't just stay idle. It starts interacting with the platform immediately. Our AI-driven engine performs randomized scrolling on the newsfeed. It pauses to read posts, clicks, see more, and interacts with organic content to build a rich and trustworthy data trail in Facebook's database. This is what we call building account heat and authority. The system also watches Facebook Reels and suggested videos. It simulates real human interest by varying the dwell time on each piece of content. This makes the account look like it's owned by a regular person with specific interests. It even joins active groups and interacts with notifications naturally. By using randomized interaction logic, our software ensures that no two accounts behave in the same way. The timing, the scrolling speed, and the engagement levels are all randomized to stay completely under the radar. This level of precision is impossible to achieve through manual work. The benefits for your business are massive. You save hundreds of hours of tedious manual labor. Instead of clicking and scrolling all day, you can focus on high-level strategy and scaling your profitable ad campaigns. Your marketing infrastructure becomes stable, scalable, and highly predictable. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your accounts are safe. You'll drastically reduce your cost per account and increase your ROI. It's time to work smarter, not harder, and dominate your niche with a solid account farm. Secure your business assets and start scaling today. Check the link in the description for a special offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro tips.